Shemai, just a very, very quick Rachel's Rambles. It's barely a rambles, really. I've been a bit busy because, it is ukulele festival season. So Rachel's Rambles, number 24. It is summer and I finished school. Full stop last week. It was manic the last couple of months in school, knowing I was finishing. I had a lot of things to sort out, making sure the department was fairly tidy, making sure everybody knew where everything was, tying up loose ends, doing reports, all that kinds of things as well. So I have officially finished being a classroom teacher. I had a lovely send-off. It wasn't just me leaving. In fact, the 4 long-timers who were leaving were all founder members of the Ukulelians, including Vicky as well. We did actually manage to do a little song in our leaving speeches. But it was really, really nice. So many cards and presents and gifts and well wishes off the other members of staff and off the kids as well. So I am going to miss it terribly, but with the way things have been going the last few years, I haven't been enjoying it. So onwards to new things. So lots of exciting new things. If you weren't aware, go and watch my P45 video. I am coming out to the classroom and I've had loads of inquiries about doing private lessons online, both bass and ukulele. So don't worry, if you have contacted me, you're on my big spreadsheet and I am really hoping to get that sorted out, certainly over the next month or so. But if you are interested in lessons and you haven't contacted me yet, give me a shout on ukulelewales@gmail.com. I'll pop the email address below. So I've mentioned ukulele festivals and the Ukumaniacs have already played in one. We played down in Pembroke about just over a month ago, had an awesome time. We were supporting Phil Dolman, who was the headline act. Brilliant weekend. I camped down there with Vanny DeVito. The weather wasn't great, but considering the summer we have had in Wales, it's been appalling. So it was a really, really nice weekend for the Ukumaniacs. Absolutely loved it. So it's Thursday morning. I am filming this. I'm hoping you guys are going to see it on the Thursday, because tomorrow morning we leave to go up to Cheltenham for the Ukulele Festival of Great Britain. Yesterday I started packing camera stuff. That takes ages. The hardest thing for me is sorting out my SD cards or my memory, making sure I've got enough space for anything that I recorded. T-shirts, that was a bit of a faff as well. And just trying to decide what instruments and things to take with me, just because of space being limited, but more than that, what I can actually physically carry. So I am hoping that I've got the majority of the hard stuff packed now, and then today, later on, I will do clothes and things like that, the unimportant things. So I think it's going to be an awesome weekend. Matt Stead has taken over running it. The lineup is absolutely incredible. There are so many fantastic uke players and groups and things playing as well, including James Hill, Warehouse of the Thieves, Peter Moss is playing, Phil Dolman is playing, Opera Lely are playing. Honestly, I absolutely can't wait. So if you are going to Cheltenham and you've got any spare ukuleles, maybe your first ones that you had that you don't play any longer, or just one that's rattling around the cupboard because you don't like it anymore, please consider bringing along, donate it to the Ukulele Project. They do an awesome job. It's all about well-being, combating loneliness. They're putting ukuleles into schools, into libraries for community use as well. So if you do have a spare ukulele you no longer use, please consider bringing it along, donating it to the Ukulele Project. And of course, if you see me hanging around in Cheltenham, come and say hello. So that's the Ukulele Festival of Great Britain this weekend. Next weekend, it is Shrookfest, which is obviously the Shrewsbury Ukulele Festival. I am really looking forward to that one. Went to it last year, thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm going to be having more adventures with Vanny DeVito. But this year, the Ukumaniacs are actually performing in it. Unfortunately, Vicky is away, but me, Emma and Jude are going to be there. We're playing in the Paddocks stage on the Saturday afternoon, and we're playing on the main stage Sunday afternoon, just before the finale with the Shropshire Massive. So again, really, really looking forward to that. And come and watch us if you can. And more importantly, come and say hello if you're there. Fingers crossed for the weather though, because so far the weather in Wales this year has been awful. And a couple of future things we've got lined up so far. Uke-Maniacs are playing in the Heart of the Valley show in September, which is a nice local agricultural show for us. And very much looking forward to going to Eastbourne for the Bracklesham ukulele weekend. Me, Jude and Vicky are going down for that. Everybody stays in a nice hotel and things for the weekend with another awesome lineup. So a few other things to look forward to. Right, I got a dash because I've still got an awful lot of things to do to get ready today, including editing this video. So please, 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 if you see me over the next few weekends, come and say hello. I cannot wait. I'm overly excited. I always am when it comes to uke festivals. So yeah, have a great summer, everybody. Hopefully I may see you out and about. As always, though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.